Is your Harley Davidson not fucking loud enough? For a small price of $500, you can get you a set of Cobra Neighbor Haters. These are of course just some slip-on mufflers that replace the factory ones. Now if we look down the barrel, you can see it's not just a straight pipe, and there is actually some baffles in there. This is what it looks like down the stock pipes. You obviously can't see anything because it's full of packing. This is what it sounds like before. And this is what it sounds like after. I'm not really sure how well the camera picked that up, but it is definitely a lot louder, so hopefully the customer is happy.